Hi guys, do you like my Harley Quinn hair? I just wanted to give you guys a house tour finally today because although I was trying to go to bed a little bit early today because I couldn't really sleep last night. But sleeping is not happening, so I was trying to work on some assignments which I have plenty of, but I realized I can't do it. But what I did want to do or wish I did is just talk to a friend or distract myself a little bit with something that's not too stressful, which is YouTube. So I just wanted to thank you guys also because the only motivation of me finally cleaning my place, it was like a pigsty, which is kind of a common theme lately. We go through phases in life. Sometimes I'm very good at keeping my place clean, but I haven't been like that lately. So yeah, I wanted to thank you guys for making me live like a human again and also really for giving me something to do today because this is something that I want to do tonight and I think it will be good for me. So without further ado, let's start my normal, messy, average minimalist house tour. Let's go. So we will start over here in my bedroom. Whee! As usual, nothing's folded, and no, I have not fixed the seams of my bed. And yes, today I will do a tour where I talk to the camera as well because my hair looks fabulous. So that's that. The floor is kind of clean. I did blow dry all the dirt into the corner. If you've been watching my channel, you know that's one of my hacks that I used to clean. And we'll move over here to my usual work laundry. A bunch of them. Should have done them earlier, but they're not completely dry yet. So that's what's going on. And over here is my glorious mess of my lot of clothes. And some of you asked me like, where's your closet? That is my closet. That's all the clothes that I own. A couple more items in the suitcase, but yeah, I don't have a formal closet because I don't have that many clothes. But oh, by the way, these are new outfits. It matches my pink hair on this side. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. So yeah, I just wanted like another short sleeve, so I got this last night. Been spending money. I really shouldn't be doing that, but you know, I'm only human. What can I say? Felt like going shopping. I just didn't want to come home. You know what I'm saying? Like I didn't want to be alone with myself. Ew. We'll do a fridge tour over here. Some dumplings that's been keeping me plump, but I really need to cut down on my eating soon. My diet. I forgot I had ice cup, so that's what I'm going to drink in a second. But yeah, bunch of meat. I cooked a lot more meat and that I brought to work with some broccoli, so I can eat that so that I could pay the rent for this month for my salon, which I paid today. So that was fabulous. Trying to save money a little bit while also not missing out on the fun. Here's my fridge situation. As you see, there's usually like a half-eaten apple or a half-eaten carrot because I like to enjoy my snacks until they do go bad sometimes. Oh yeah, this one's looking pretty awful. It almost looks like my nasty finger. And then there's like some spicy sauce and some more kimchi that I bought. My folks have sent me a lot of side dishes, which I'm very, very happy about. It's one of the best gifts that anybody could give me, just like food, because it doesn't, the best gift is money, but next best thing is like food or a consumable item that I actually need. So yeah, that was very, very nice of them. So we'll move into, I guess, the kitchen, because it's, I don't know, right here. There's more rice here that I still need to eat. So the fact that I haven't gone through them means I have been eating out, ordering and food, which is not good. But I did successfully complete my no delivery February. I didn't order any delivery food in February, which did help me cut down my spending. But it's starting to creep up a little bit, but not as much as before the no delivery February. So when you go cold turkey, like that's kind of like in even like for like a whole month, it's like a really good practice, I think. I think the bigger your addiction, the longer you go without actually having them is actually like helpful. I don't know, because then you realize you can't survive without these things, right? Anyway, I'm getting preachy again, but some shoes, some trash I need to take out. Over here in the kitchen, some dishes that I just never do, as you guys know by now. Unless I need to cook, so it always gets clean right before I actually have to cook something, so that's that's that. And over here, it's just more stuff. More rice packets, some toilet paper that I bought, and some Brita filter, which I need to change. I don't know how. This filter's been gone for a while, but yeah. Not enough water in there, so nothing in here, you guys. Nothing special, and we'll move into my bathroom. I wanted to do the bathroom tour last just because I wanted to show you the little foil that I forgot. So I put my bangs in a foil, and obviously to put some blue color on there. Woo! And yeah, I just thrown it down there when I was showering last night. So that's what happened. I put some color in my hair, and I came home walking with color in my hair, and then I washed. And the lady at the convenience store, she looked at me like I'm psycho, which not completely wrong, as long as I'm not hurting anybody, hopefully. But down here, just some shampoo, conditioner. By the way, I can't believe I just said that. Don't use that against me. To like witchify people. And over here, just same stuff. Like nothing much has changed. I've been using up my toothpaste as usual. Some toilet paper, and this toilet paper roll need to be thrown out. But that, you guys, is it. That is my entire average minimalist home tour. I really need this. I think I need like a variety of things to help me express myself and also distract me from the cruel side of life, the sad side of life. But and I'm just really grateful that there are people who would watch it, and then who might, I don't know, even get encouraged, or just kind of like be relieved that other people also suck as much as them, like me. Like if you don't clean your place, I don't sometimes either, but I always try, that's what I'm saying. Like it's okay to not be perfect, but you should always try to, improve yourself, right? And that's what I'm doing. Like I'm just hanging on, and I know there are better days ahead, there are happier days ahead, and more beautiful memories to be had, and I'm just taking it at a pace that I'm comfortable with, and I'm just sending you guys the biggest virtual hug, and warmest wishes, and the best of luck, because I think that's something that I would also appreciate. So love you guys, thank you for being here, and have a beautiful rest of the week. I'll catch you guys next week with more content. Bye.